Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are all fine and safe. Today beta we are going to start with exercise 9.5. In this exercise, first of all I will be discussing with you division of a monomial by a monomial. I hope all of you have seen the previous videos and I have already discussed you what is a monomial. So single term algebraic expression is called a monomial. So now beta we have to divide this monomial with this monomial. When we have to divide it, see 3 by 4 x power 6 y power 2. When you are going to divide it with 3 upon 14 minus 3 upon 14 x power 2 y power 2, what we have to keep in mind? First of all, we can do the cutting of the numerator with the numerator. Say we can cut 3 with 3 and the denominator with the denominator. Here we have 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. Now let's come with the variables. Here we have x power 6, here we have x power 2. You know when the bases are same and there is a divide sign, you subtract the powers. So what you will get? This will be equal to this 7, what do you get is 1 upon 2 in the numerator, okay? And you have got minus 1 upon 7 in the denominator. And here beta you have got x power 6 minus 2 which is equal to 4 and y power 2 and y power 2 gets cancelled and y is no more on the answer. Now how we have to arrange it? This 7 will go in the numerator and 2 will come in the denominator. So my final answer will be minus 2 upon 7 x power 4. Now children, if I have a binomial divided by a monomial, then how I have to divide it? 6x square also will be divided with 2x and 10xy, okay, that will be also divided with 2x. Now x, 1x, okay, let's do the subtraction afterwards. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, okay. Now what do you have here is 3. Here you have x power 2, here you have x power 1. So when you will subtract 2 minus 1, you will be left with only x. Then plus sign here, 5, x and x both will get cancelled and then you will be left with y. So your answer will be 3x plus 5y. The next topic beta which we are going to discuss is we are going to divide the polynomials by binomial. Now I will be taking up the second sum first of all. In sum number 2, I have to divide beta 14a square plus 27ab plus 9b square by, we have to divide it with 7a plus 3b. Now all of you see here very carefully how we are going to do the division. See beta, this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So you know how you divide it. You keep the dividend inside 14a square plus 27ab plus 9b square and you will divide it with 7a plus 3b. Now you have to follow some rules beta when you have to divide. First step that you have to do is you have to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. Now the first term of the dividend beta is 14a square. First of all you will divide it with 7a in the rough column. This is my rough column. I will be dividing in the rough work, I will be dividing it. What I am dividing again I repeat, the first term of the dividend divided by the first term of the divisor. Now when you divide 14a square with 7a, then 7 2s are 14, a square and a, out of this a square and a, you will be left with only a because a's power here is 2, a's power here is 1 and because of the divide, the power will get subtracted. Now beta this 2a that you are getting, you will write it here in place of quotient. You will write it in place of quotient. After writing it here beta, you have to multiply this 2a with both the terms. So see, you दोनों के नाम multiply करना. How you going to do it? See, I have got 2a, okay? I am multiplying it with 7a plus 3b. This concept beta you have done in the previous videos, how to divide. First of all, constant will be multiplied with the constant. 7 2s are 14, a and a, because there is a multiplication sign, the powers will get added and I get 14a square. Now again, plus sign, 2 3s are 6, a and b, because they are unlike terms, I will get 6ab. Now where to write this, beta? This has to be written here. A square term will be written under the a square term and ab term will be written under the ab term. 6ab. Clear, beta? Now what is the next thing? We have to change the signs. Now when we are going to change the signs, plus change to minus, 14ab and 14ab will get cancelled. 27 minus 6, that will be equal to 21, and along with that we will get ab. Clear, beta? Now again we have to repeat the same thing. We will bring down the last term which is left here, 9b square down. Now what is the first term of my dividend? That is 21ab. Okay? I will divide this 21ab with the first term of the divisor, that is equal to 7a. A will get cancelled with a, 7 will get cancelled with 21 and I get 3, and along with that this b is left, so I am left with 3b. Now because it is positive, I will write plus 3b in place of quotient, beta. After that, again the same step to be followed. This quotient 3b has to be multiplied with this binomial 7a plus 3b, which is my divisor. Now what do I get? 3 7s are 21ab and 3 3s are 9b in b. Multiplied will give you b square. So what do you get here? This, whatever you are getting here, it will be written here 21ab plus 9b square. Now beta, you will change the signs. Plus will be changed to minus. So what do you find here? You find 21ab minus 21ab gets cancelled. 9b and 9b also get cancelled and your remainder is 0. So what is your quotient, beta? Your quotient in this case, you are getting the quotient is equal to 2a plus 3b, right? And the remainder that you are getting here is equal to 0. Clear? Now we will take another question. So beta, I am taking the fifth part now. This is my divisor. So as we already know, we have to write the divisor like this. 2x power 4 plus 2x cube plus, minus 21x square plus 43x minus 35, and I am dividing it with x square plus 3x minus 7. So beta, what is the first term of the dividend? That is 2x power 4. So this is my rough work. I will be using my rough work like this. The first term of the dividend is 2x power 4. It will be divided by the first term of the divisor, that is equal to x square. Now what is there? X power 4 and x power 2. Powers will get subtracted and my quotient will be 2x square. So this 2x square will be written beta here. Now this 2x square that I got will be multiplied with this x square plus 3x minus 7, the divisor. When we multiply it, see what you get. 2, x square and x square will become x power 4. 2 3s are 6, x square and x will become x cube. 2 7s are 14 minus sign x square. Now see that quotient that after multiplication, the product that I have got, I will be putting that product here and I will see to it that the like terms are arranged properly. So first of all, 2x power 4 will be coming beta. After that, x cube. So I will write 6x cube here. Then I have got 14x square, which will be written under 21x square. And now beta, I have to draw a line and I have to change the signs of my second term. If it is positive, it will become negative. If it is negative, it will become positive. Now this 2x power 4 will get cancelled. Now what do you see here? Plus minus minus, sign of the greater term. So plus 2 and minus 6 will give me minus 4 x cube along with it. Plus minus minus, again sign of the greater term minus. 21 minus 7, 14 will be equal to 7x square plus 43x minus 35. I have brought the leftover terms also down. Now beta, next step. The first term of the dividend now is becoming minus 4x cube. The first term of the divisor is x square. Now 3x cube and x square when subtracted will be left with x, because 3 minus 2 is 1 and minus 4 comes here. This minus 4x will be written here beta in the place of the quotient, and will be getting multiplied with x square plus 3x minus 7 as we did it here. Now when you will multiply it, what do you get? Minus 4 into this will become x and x will become x cube, plus minus minus 3 4s are 12, x and x will become x square, minus minus plus 7 4s are 28, and I will get x along with it. So let me arrange it now. The term which is of x cube will be written under x cube. The term which is of x square will be written under x square. And the term which contains x will be written under the term x. Now next what to do? Minus will change to plus, this minus to plus, this plus to minus. This will get cancelled. Plus minus minus 12 minus 7, that is equal to 5, because 12 is the greater number, so you will put a positive sign, and along with that you will get x square. Similarly, 43 minus 28, that will give you 15, and the sign with that will be positive beta, because 43 is the bigger number. And last term let's bring down, that is equal to minus 35 now. Now here we have x square, here also we have x square, so we can do the division one step more. We have to stop the division once. If we get this last remainder, the degree of this remainder is less than the degree of the divisor, then we will stop the division. So here beta, you will divide 5x square with your first term, that is x square. Now this x square and x square will get cancelled and you will be left with 5. Now this 5 is going to be multiplied again with this term, x square plus 3x minus 7. So what do you get beta? 5 into x is equal to 5x square. 5 into 3 is equal to 15, along with that you will get x, and 7 5s are, you will have 35. So let us arrange it here. We have 5x square plus 15x minus 35. Now let's change the signs. When you will change the signs beta, 5x square and 5x square will get cancelled. 15 and 15 also will get cancelled. Minus 35 and plus 35 also will get cancelled. And you are left with the remainder 0. So what is your quotient in this case beta? In this case, your quotient is, okay sorry, we have not written this 5. We have to write this 5 here first of all beta. When you got this 5, you had to write this 5 up. Clear beta? So you have quotient 2x square minus 4x plus 5, and your remainder is equal to 0. So this is your final answer.